everyone, it's me again. I'm Anh. Nice to meet you. And today I want to share my ideas with you about the topic, the pros and cons of street food in Vietnam. I chose this topic because I really love Vietnamese street food, and it's really amazing. Let me show you that. But what is the street food? It is the ready-to-eat food or drink sold at a street or the other public places such as market or fair. And everywhere in Vietnam you go, you can see many special street foods that we are unforgettable. Firstly, I will show you the pros of street food in Vietnam. If you have a time to visit Vietnam, especially Hanoi, you can forget the images of street food sellers and their stores. A known woman sit at the side of the street with her big basket. Inside it, she puts her food to keep food warm to sell. Or a man rides a no bike, bringing his fruit cabinets. He or she yells very charming. Pulling sweets or sticky rice or serve please. They remind me of our hard-working mothers, fathers and grandmothers. Those are familiar faces with a making up or sparkling dresses. They are still nice, a simple beauty. They make a particular price for every corner in Hanoi. But what makes a particular point for street food is its taste. The taste of street food is so delicious and special. It is very well known all over the world. Vietnamese people miss them whenever they go far away from home. Foreigners come to Vietnam can't forget it. The street food brings Vietnamese taste. You can easily find a family sitting on the floor and enjoying their meals with every street food. That would be great when you're beginning your morning with a bowl of beef fried noodle soup and a cup of iced coffee. Or if a Hanoi citizen can forget the taste of humble rib soup. The soup is so sweet and special. And secondly, the price of street food is good. We can also find kind of street food in a luxury restaurant, but I can guarantee that its taste is not as amazing as street food. Besides that, their prices is higher than street food, maybe because of the tax that the restaurant have to pay. Thirdly, the convenience of street food brings to everyone. Street food is very convenient. You can buy easily and fastly when you go home after work, or sometimes you have sudden interest to take. You can buy immediately. Finally, street food brings jobs to many poor people. Nowadays life is hard. It is not easy to find a great job, especially from people at the same age. At the same age. as our grandparents and our parents. And they sell street food as a job to earn life. Sometimes selling street food is their family's traditional jobs. With the skilled hands, they make unforgettable street food, and I think we can call them the magic artists of food. But street food in Vietnam also has disadvantages. One, the highlighting at all is hygienic and safety food. To be served at a street food is hard to avoiding dust. It is not preserved in a suitable condition, so sometimes we hardly avoid the moldy and nasty food. In Vietnam, we use some animal organs to make some street food. That makes a worry for many people, especially for foreigners. And in fact, the hygiene and food safety in Vietnam is not good. It's not done seriously. And in one way or the other, street food stores have a bad effect for our environment because of their rubbish. Okay, to summary, street food is our amazing beauty that makes a particular point for our country, our capital. And as for me, street food sellers are magic artists of food. Thank you for listening, and please give me your feedback.